Hello, I'm Hannah Mills. Today, we will be exploring Nearpod. Nearpod is a digital tool that can be used to increase engagement in previous lessons, discover new lessons made by other educators, or to create lessons using the Nearpod app. Nearpod is a tool that is used to create engaging, interactive, gamified lessons for all students. Nearpod has a free library to use with thousands of already made activities from other educators. Not only are there many other Nearpod lessons to choose from, you also have the option to use the wonderfully made lessons already on your computer. How can Nearpod be used to teach? The answer to this is simple. There are many options when using Nearpod that fit all teaching styles. Here's how to get started with Nearpod. First, you will need to open up your Google Slides and find the Add-on tab. Once you have the Add-on tab selected, you will need to press Nearpod. Open Nearpod. When Nearpod opens to the side, you will have many tools and features that you can include within your presentation. A few of these tools could be audio, a collaboration board, the Draw It tool, a virtual field trip, and many more options. Let's take a minute to look at an example. If I were to choose the open-ended question, it will appear on my screen. I can then type in a question that I would like for my class to answer together. Once the question is written or typed, I can press save. When I save this, it automatically becomes saved and opens as a new slide within my presentation. You will now feel confident when using these tools to enhance student engagement within your classroom. As you can see, there are many positive ways to integrate Nearpod into our daily lessons to help motivate and engage our students. I know you will find success as you navigate and find creative ways to include Nearpod within your class. Again, thanks for watching and don't forget to check out our other resources.